Would you like to send notifications from your devices? Today I will show you how to do that for free with Smartnest. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Sosa. I have worked in many IoT projects in the last years and I love home automation. And today I will show you how you can send notifications from your Smartnest devices and receive them in your phone or tablet. This can be useful if, for example, you want to notify that the water level in your plant water is too low, or that the temperature from a sensor is too high, or just to notify that some window or door has been opened. You can receive these notifications in different ways: browser notification, push notification, or Telegram messages. So, let's go.
Routine notifications. First, we will create a new device of type switch in the Smartnest dashboard. You can get the example code for all the device types from my GitHub. The link is in the description. Open the code and change the details for your Wi-Fi network. Add your username and password or your API key for increased security. Remember to add the device ID of the device we just created and upload the program to the board. Once the device appears online, we can start configuring the notification, and one way to do it is using routines. We can go to the Routines tab and create a new routine. In this case, we will select our device as the trigger. Then we select an action of type message so we can specify what text we want to appear in the notification. Once we have configured the notification, we can test it out. Go to your dashboard and turn on the switch. You will receive a notification in the web app and also in your mobile devices if you have the Smartnest app. Telegram notifications. If you would like to receive notifications as Telegram messages, you can go to the Telegram app and add the Smartnest bot and send the message "Start" and follow the instructions to link your Smartnest account. Once you finish this process, you would start receiving notifications as Telegram messages too. Custom notifications. There are some cases in which you would like your devices to send a notification about some specific event. For example, a plant waterer that would send a notification about the low water level. In this case, you can use MQTT to send a custom notification. As you may know, your Smartnest devices use MQTT to send and receive updates from the server. Messages are sent in the form of MQTT packages that have a topic and a message. For example, when a device reports the power state, they would use the topic report power state, and in the message would be on or off. We can use the report notification topic, and in the message we will send the text we want to show in the notification. In the Arduino code, you could copy the turn on function and use it to create a function for sending the notification. Use the report notification topic, and in the message add the text you want to show in the notification. Then, when this function is called, you will receive a notification in the browser and also in your Android and iOS devices. Keep in mind that if you use this method to send notifications, you have to be careful not to send them in for loops without delays, otherwise your devices could be blocked for sending messages too fast.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the process. Let us know in the comments if you like this feature and some ideas of how you would use it, or any problems that you encounter during the process. Also, let us know what other features you would like to see added to Smartnest. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't yet, follow us on social media. Happy automation, bye bye!